share my screen. Let me know when you see my screen.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I see your screen now.
Okay. So what we did yesterday is the Centroid and the Orthocenter.
Okay.
Okay. And these two are important because there are a lot of different kind of problems that are possible using these two. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let us see what these are. So you know centroid. What is centroid? Centroid means the point of intersection of the bisector of sides, right?
Yes, sir.
Point of intersection of the medians, not the bisector of sides. Sorry, of the medians. Medians is the other
Okay,
lines
sir.
which join the midpoint of any
Hello.
side. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. So medians are the lines which joins the vertices with the midpoints of the opposite sides. Like here in this diagram, AD is a median, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, BE would be another median, right? And
Yes,
the
sir.
third one would be CF, right? So these three are the medians. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, what kind of problems can come? Now, the is uh, first thing is about the length of the medians, right? Uh, how do
Yes,
we
sir.
how do we find the length of the medians? How do we relate it to the area or the sides of the triangle? That is the question. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
also, how do we relate the point G to the lengths of the medians? Right. So we'll take this one by one. First, look at the point G. Okay. Now we want to find out what is the ratio of AG by GD, right? That is AG by GE and CG by GF, right? This is what we'll first look at. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in order to do that, what we'll do is we will draw a line parallel to AD from F.
Okay.
We draw a line parallel to AD from F. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us say this line meets the side BC at H.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, if I look at the triangle BFH and triangle BAD, what can I say about these two triangles?
They are similar triangles.
They are similar triangles because I have constructed FH to be parallel to AD. So the corresponding
Yes,
angles
sir.
would be equal and angle B is a common angle. So
Yes, sir.
they are similar. So if they are similar, then what can we say about the sides?
BH. No, wait. HF upon AD
is equal to
BH upon BD is equal to BF upon BA.
upon BA. Correct. We will look at only this part first. Okay. Now, what is BF upon BA? F is the midpoint, right?
Yes, sir.
F is the midpoint. So BF is half of BA, correct?
Half.
So
Yes, sir.
BF by BA is equal to 2. So this whole thing becomes equal to 2, right? Sorry, is equal to half.
Hello.
Half, right? BF by BA becomes equal to half, correct? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I heard you till you said BF is equal to half BA.
Yeah, so that means BF by BA is equal to half. So I have written half here,
Yes, sir.
correct? So therefore, BH is equal to half of
Half.
BD, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what is BD? BD is half of BC.
Yes, sir.
So therefore, BH is 1/4 of BC.
Yes, sir.
BH is 1/4 of BC.
BC. Yes.
So now look at and also that means FH is half of
AD.
AD, right? Now look at the triangle, two triangles, um, CGD and CFH. What can you say about these two triangles?
They are also similar triangles.
They are also similar triangles. So what can we write?
CG upon GF is
CG,
equal
CG upon
CF
CF.
is equal to CD upon CH is equal to DG upon HF.
Okay. Now what is CD upon CH? Can we find this out?
CD upon CH.
CD
That will be 1/4
1/4.
mine.
CD is half of BC, right?
Yes, sir.
CH is nothing but BC minus BH, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is BH? BH is 1/4.
1/4 of BC.
So CH is BC minus 1/4 of BC. So that is 3/4 of BC, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is CD over CH now? CD over CH will be equal to half over 3/4, right?
Yes, sir.
Half over 3/4, which is equal to what? How much?
So we'll take the
This 4 will come up, this 2 will come down.
yes, sir.
So 4
4
by
upon 6.
6 or 2 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
CD by CH is 2 by 3, right? So now we can put the value of CD by CH in this whole equation. This becomes 2 by 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means CG is 2/3 of CF, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore FG will be 1/3 of CF, right?
One second.
FG
C.
is CF
Yes.
minus CG, that is CF minus 2/3 CF,
Yes, sir.
which is 1/3 CF, right?
Yes, sir.
So CG by GF will be equal to 2/3 by 1/3,
Yes, sir.
that is 2 is to 1.
Six. Yes.
2 is to 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means G divides CF, G divides CF in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right? And
Yes, sir.
we also have dg by hf is equal to 2/3.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is dg? dg is nothing but ad minus ag, right?
Yes, sir.
ad minus ag. Okay? And f
Yes, sir.
fh is half of ad, right? That we have already seen.
Yes, sir.
Half of ad, right?
Yes, sir.
So that means we can say that fh, sorry, dg over fh will be uh, ad minus ag over half of, one second, let me clear this up a little bit. So dg over hf is nothing but ad minus ag over half of ad, correct?
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 2 by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means I can write this as 2 by 3 is equal to ad by half ad minus ag by half ad. Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
this becomes 2 by 3 is equal to, what is ad by half ad?
2AD over AD,
2,
so 2.
right? And this becomes 2 ag by ad, right?
Yes, sir.
So then I can write this as 2 ag by ad is equal to 2 minus 2 by 3, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So that is nothing but 6 minus 2 by 3, which is 4 by 3, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
And I can cancel this and I get 2 by 3. So ag by ad is 2 by 3, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that means again g divides ad in the ratio of how much? AG is 2/3 of AD. This we found, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
So GD would be how much of AD?
1/3.
1/3 AD. So what would be the ratio? AG is to GD?
2 to 1.
2:1.
2:1. So therefore G divides AD in the ratio of 2:1. Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is one property of the centroid. Okay. And we can similarly prove that G divides BE in the ratio of how much?
2:1.
2:1. Okay. So it is very simple that we just took the similarity of triangles and we proved that the centroid divides all the medians in the ratio of 2:1. So this is a very, very important property because you will be given questions based on this. What kind of questions? You will be given that in a triangle ABC, E, B, F are the midpoints of the sides respectively, and the lengths of AD, BE, and CF will be given, right? You will be asked to find the lengths uh, of the sections BG, GE, AG, GD, etc. Right?
Okay, sir.
This is one way it can be given. It can be given the other way around also. It can be told that G is the centroid of a triangle ABC such that AG is equal to 4 centimeter. What is the length of the median AD? Right?
Yes, sir.
So these are different ways in which this particular property can be used to ask questions. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. There are a couple of more things that are important for from a centroid perspective, centroid and median perspective, which is what we'll see now. So we have the triangle ABC and we have a median AD. Now, what can you tell about triangle ABD and triangle ACD? What can you tell about these two triangles?
That they are divided into two equal parts.
Very good. Because the height is the same and D is the midpoint, so half base into height would be the same value for both triangles, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
So that means they are equal in area, right?
Yes,
They are
sir.
equal in area. Similarly, DE will also divide the triangle into two equal areas, and so will CF, right? Same logic,
Yes, sir.
correct?
Yes.
Now, now, what can you tell about triangle DEF?
That it's 1/4 the area of triangle ABC.
Okay, correct. Why is that?
Because we can prove all of the four parts to be equal. And then DEF will become 1/4 of triangle ABC.
Correct. So basically, if I take any one of the smaller triangles, let's say I take triangle AEF and triangle uh, triangle ABC, right? So triangle AEF is half of EF into the height of this one, let's say X and Y. So this is half of EF into AY, and triangle ABC would be half of BC into AX, right?
Yes, sir.
And what is EF? We can, by similarity of triangles, we can prove that EF is equal to half BC, right? We did this the other day,
Right.
that EF is a line joining the midpoints of two sides, right? So EF would be
Yes, sir.
half of BC, right? And what would be
Right.
AY?
Yes, sir.
Again,
E.
if we take the triangles AFY and triangle ABX, these two would be similar
Yes.
because FE is parallel to BC, right? So
Yes.
corresponding angles will be equal. This one would be 90, this one would be 90, right? And angle
Right.
BAX is common, BAX or BAY is common. So these two triangles are similar,
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
right? So therefore, their sides would be proportional. That means AF by AB is equal to AY by AX, and F is the midpoint of AB. So AF by AB will be half, correct?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, AY will be half AX, right? So that means if I put half BC in place of EF, this becomes half into half BC, and AY is half AX, right? So this becomes 1/8 of BC into AX, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that means triangle AEF by triangle ABC is how much? 1/8 by half, which is 1/4, correct?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. So are DEF the midpoints of AC, BC, the triangle ABC?
Yes, yes, yes. They are the midpoints. We are
Then
talking.
we can
Yeah,
do it with we can make them all parallelograms and then start proving each of them one by one also.
yeah, yeah. So we can do it in multiple ways. See, any proof can be done in multiple ways, right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just showing it with the help of areas. Yes,
Okay,
you
sir.
can do it with parallelograms, definitely yes, right? So in either way, you can prove that all these triangles A, E, F is equal to triangle BFD is equal to triangle CED, and all are equal to 1/4 of triangle ABC, right? So therefore,
Yes, sir.
triangle DEF will be triangle ABC minus all these three triangles, this one, and this one, right?
Yes, sir.
So That means triangle ABC minus 3 into 1/4 of triangle ABC, which is 1/4 of triangle ABC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the question might come that ABC is a triangle such that DEF are the midpoints of the sides respectively. What is the if the area of the triangle DEF is let's say 10 square centimeter, what is the area of the triangle ABC, right?
Yes, sir.
You can be given the area of any of these four triangles and you can be asked the area of the bigger triangle or the other way around, one of these two,
Okay, sir.
right? So this is
Right.
another question, another very, very common question that might come. What is the third question, third type of question that might come? We'll see that also. So the third type of question would be like this. So the triangle is ABC and we have the midpoints. We have the midpoints like this. So D, E, F, and this is the point G. Now, in the triangle ABC, we know that triangle ABD is equal to triangle ACD, which is equal to triangle BEA, which is equal to triangle BEC, which is equal to triangle CFA, which is equal to triangle CFB, and all these are equal to half of triangle ABC, right?
Right.
Prisha,
Yes, sir.
correct? So,
Yes, sir.
so you might be given that uh, the area of the triangle BGF is 10 centimeter, right? Sorry, 10 square centimeter. And you'll be asked to find the area of the triangle ABC. How will you do that?
Okay.
BGF is 10 square centimeter. What would be the area of the triangle ABC? How will we do that?
BGF is 10 centimeters, so the rest of it must be, it's 1/8 of the area because it's the, so then the rest must also be 8 times that, so it's 80 overall. ABC is 80.
Yes. So, uh, so look at triangle uh, GBC and triangle ABC, right? Now we've seen that G divides the median AD into the ratio of what?
2:1.
2:1, right? So that means GD is 1/3 of AD, correct?
Yes, sir.
GD is 1/3 of AD. That means if I drop a perpendicular, that perpendicular will also be in the same ratio,
Yes, sir.
right? So which means that the length of the height from BC to this point G, okay, this height would be 1/3 of the height of A to BC. If I call this X and Y, that means by similarity of triangles, we can prove GY is 1/3 of AX. We can do that, right? Yes, no,
Yeah.
Prisha?
Yes, sir.
So we can take the triangles DGY and DAX, and these two triangles will be similar, and therefore the ratio of their sides would be proportional. So that means GY over AX would be equal to GD over AD, which is 1/3,
Yes, sir.
right? So hence the area of the triangle BGC would be half of BC into GY, right? Which is half of BC, and GY is 1/3 AX, right? Correct? So this is 1/3 of half BC into AX. And what is BC into AX? Sorry, half BC into AX. This is area of triangle ABC. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So each of the triangles AGC is equal to triangle BGC is equal to triangle AGB, and all these are equal to 1/3 of triangle ABC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now F is the midpoint of AB, right? So triangle BFG is half of triangle AGB,
Yes, sir.
and triangle AGB is 1/3 of ABC. So triangle BFG is half of 1/3 of triangle ABC, right?
Yes, sir.
So triangle BFG is 1/6 of triangle ABC. That means if you are given the area of any of these 6 small triangles, you should just multiply it by 6 to get the area of the big triangle.
Okay, sir.
Clear? You will not be
Yes,
told
sir.
anything else. You'll just be told the area of uh, BGF or BGD or any of these is this much. So what is the area of the triangle ABC?
Okay, sir.
So this is the second type of question that might come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is more or less the type of questions that you can expect for medians and centroid,
Okay, sir.
and they're all based on the ratio of the areas.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now let us go to the orthocenter, which is the point of
Intersection of
point of intersection of the
perpendicular.
perpendicular from each of the vertices to the opposite sides. So this is one, this is another, and this is the third one. Now, if O is my orthocenter, the point of intersection is called the orthocenter. Now, what can I say about the lengths of each of these? perpendiculars and their ratios. Let us see. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, we know that the area of the triangle ABC can be expressed as half of BC into AD, which is equal to half of what? AB into CF, right?
Yes. Yes,
Which
sir.
is equal to half of AC into
Uh, into BE.
BE. So one straight relationship that we can see is BC into AD is equal to AB into CF is equal to AC into BE. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is a very straightforward one. Okay. Now we can also use the similarity of triangles. Like for example, if I take triangle BFC and triangle BAD, what can we say? What can we see in these two triangles?
BFC.
Angle B is common,
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
right? Angle B is common to both.
Yes.
Angle ADB is equal to angle BFC, which is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So two angles of a triangle are common means, are equal means
Third is also
third is
equal.
also equal. So therefore angle BAD is equal to angle BCF, right?
Yes, sir.
Angle BAD is equal to angle BCF, right? So
Yeah.
which means that the sides would be proportional. Now tell me which sides would be proportional. Which side, which sides of these two triangles will be proportional?
AB upon CB.
A, AB, AB
AB and CB.
over CB, right, is equal to what?
AD over CF.
Is equal to AD over CF. That is equal to
BD over BF.
BD over BF. So this is one relationship we get, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I do the same similarity with another set of triangles, which are triangle ADC and triangle BEC. Okay, let me tell you why I'm choosing the triangles in this way. Okay, that is also important. So the first one I chose was these two. This one, right? And
Yes, sir.
I chose this one, right? I chose these
Right.
two, correct?
Yes.
BAD and BCF. Why did I choose these two? Because I wanted to have angle B common. That's the only logic. Okay. Similarly, I am choosing these two because I want to have angle C common. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what would be the proportional sides?
AD and BE.
So in
DC.
triangle ADC, first we take AD, which is opposite to angle C, and similarly we'll take the one opposite to
BP.
angle C in BEC, which is BE,
BE.
right?
Yes, sir.
Next, we will choose the sides which are opposite to the right angles. So in triangle ADC, which is opposite to the right angle?
AC.
AC. In triangle BEC, which is opposite to the right angle?
BC.
BC. And the third side would be
DC
CD,
over
yes,
EC.
over
EC.
EC, right? So this is my second set. And similarly, I will have to choose another set of triangles to get another set of equation. And I'll tell you why I'm doing this once we do that. So tell me the third set of triangles that we'll choose. This time we will take angle A common, right?
Triangle ABD and triangle.
Angle A common. If I want to have angle A, full angle A,
Triangle
AC.
BAE.
triangle BAE, correct. And the other
And
one,
ACF. ACF. Triangle
ACF,
um,
correct.
CAF.
Correct. ACF or CAF. Right?
Well, doesn't it have to be CAF so that because CA and BA are proportional?
Which two?
CA and BA for naming triangles. The
CA.
same angles go in the same order.
No, I didn't get your question. Sorry.
With the way that you name a triangle,
Yeah.
wouldn't it have to be CAF?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I mean, see, the
Doesn't? Okay.
naming is fine. I mean, I can say triangle ABC or BCA or CAB. It's okay, right? So that is
Right.
not an issue. So if I take these two triangles, then what would be the proportional sides? Always start with the side which is opposite to the common angle. What is the common angle? A,
Okay. So BE and
BE
CF.
over
CF.
CF. Next, take the side which is opposite to the right angle.
AF.
In triangle BAE, you have to keep the order same.
Oh, and BAE. So BA
BA over
over CA.
CF.
CA. That is equal to
Yeah.
FC or sorry, BE. Oh, we already did that. AE.
AE. Yes, You have to be careful when you're looking at the sides. And the other one is
over AF.
AF. So this is my third set, right? Now, why did I do this? I'll show you why. So from the equation 1, okay, from my first equation, I can write AB by BC is equal to BD by BF, right? I can write this.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
From the second equation, I can write AC over BC is equal to CD over EC or CE. I can write.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Are you able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So let us say this is my equation 4 and this is my equation 5. So if I divide 4 by 5, what do I get? 4 by 5. What do I get?
4 by 5.
AB by AC, right, is
Yes, sir.
equal to BD by BF into EC by CD. Can I write this?
Yes, sir.
Because this will get reversed. The denominator will be CD by EC, that will get reversed. Are you able to follow this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. So that means I get AB by AC is equal to BD by BF into EC by CD, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And from equation 3, I can see that AB by AC is equal to AE by AF, right?
Yes, sir.
So this I can write as AE by AF, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So therefore, I will write AE by AF is equal to BD by BF into EC by CD, right?
Yes, sir.
Or I will write, just give me a second. Hello? হ্যাঁ আর আমি পড়াচ্ছি এখন sorry. So I can write AE by AF into CD by EC into BF by BD is equal to 1,
Yes, sir.
right? Or I can
Right.
rearrange this and I can write AE, I bring this EC below AE, AE by EC, and I bring BD below CD into CD by BD into BF by AF equal to 1,
Yes, sir.
right?
Right.
Correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Prisha,
Yes, sir.
you're able to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So why did I do this? because these ratios AE by EC into CD by BD into AF by BF by AF is equal to 1 is a very, very important property, and there can be questions based on this, right? So you will be told that ABC is a triangle such that D, E, and F are the bases of the altitudes from the respective vertices, and you'll be given maybe the distance, the value of uh, 5 of them, and you'll be asked to find the value of the other one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that could be one possibility. There are numerous possibilities in this. Okay, that could be one way that the question might be asked, or they can give you um the sides ABC, which means that these values would be given. So CD, the ratio of CD and EC will be given. Okay. Similarly, the ratio of BD and BF will be given, right?
Right.
Correct.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And the ratio of AE and AF will be given, right? So,
Yes, sir.
you'll be asked to prove that the product of these ratios is equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you have to put the values and just show it like this, that this is equal to 1. Clear?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Okay, and then of course, not to forget about the first simple equation. So here all the sides will be given, and you'll be asked to find the uh, altitudes. The area will be given, of course. Oh, no, the area will not be given, because all sides are given means you can find the area using the method of root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, right?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, all sides will be given. You will be asked to find the height of the altitudes, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the different kinds of questions that you can expect in the exams. Okay. Okay. Another interesting
Yes.
point uh, here is I showed you that angle BAD is equal to angle BCF. Similarly, we can show that angle ACF is equal to which angle? Angle ACF will be equal to which angle? Richa,
Yes, sir.
which angle?
Um,
Look at the two triangles we took when we considered A as the common angle
A, B, E.
and ACF. So angle ACF is part of the triangle ACF, and which is
Yes.
the corresponding angle that we proved equal when we did the similarity.
A, B, E. Angle A, B, E.
Correct, ABE, right? And therefore,
Yes, sir.
the third pair would be this one, right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
So the question would be that the the angle ACF will be given, right? And you'll be asked to find the angle ABE
Okay, sir.
or any of these pairs, right?
Okay.
or you will be asked to find the sum of the angles ACF, angle CAD, and angle uh, BCF, right?
Okay.
So these are different ways that questions can be framed. That's why I'm showing you this. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
you'll be given, let's say, angle A uh, ACO is equal to 20 degree. Angle CAO is equal to is equal to uh, 70 degree, let's say, or not 70, sorry. Angle CAO would be 50 degree. Okay. And you are asked to
Yes.
find the rest of the angles. How will you do it?
Okay. So angle ABE will also be 20.
Right.
Angle um, EBC will be 50.
Hmm. So ACO is given 20. So this becomes 20.
Yes.
CAO is given as 50. Right.
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 50. Fine. And then what about the other
So
two?
so in triangle AFC, we can use angle sum property and find out BAD, and that will be equal to FCB.
Correct. So that is one way you can do it. Or if you understand this rule, then you can do it directly without doing any of that. That's why I showed you this. So always remember that if I call these angles as X, this will be X, this is Y, this is Y, and the other pair is Z, right? So
Yes, sir.
2X plus 2Y plus 2Z is equal to 180. So if you are given, or that means X plus Y plus Z is equal to 90, right? That means if you are given any two, you will directly be able to find the other one.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear, Kushal?
Yes.
Kushal,
Yes. It is clear.
are you able to follow this?
Yes, I am.
So I'm just showing the different ways that questions might be asked,
Right.
Yes, sir.
right? So these are the different ways that questions might be asked around medians, centroid, and orthocenter, and altitude.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another way that the question might be asked is uh, let ABC be a triangle. Is a triangle such that D, E, and F are the points of perpendiculars uh, from the vertices to the opposite sides respectively, right? What is the condition? What is the condition? Listen to this question carefully. What is the condition which will ensure that the perpendiculars are concurrent, which means that they meet at one single point?
That it's equilateral.
That condition is this one. AE by EC, always go from one direction. AE by EC into CD by DB into BF by FA, right? That should be equal to 1. This is the condition of concurrence of the three perpendiculars from the vertices to the opposite sides.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Do you have any doubts on this?
No, sir.
Nope.
So what I will do is I'm going to now send you another paper based on centroid, orthocenter, median, and perpendiculars from vertices to the opposite sides.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and the questions will be based on whatever we discussed.
Okay.
Clear? And Kushal, were you able to complete the test?
Yes, I was.
Okay, let's have a quick. Okay, I don't think we have time today. I have one more session. So tomorrow we'll cover that. What time we meet tomorrow?
Can I inform you in 1.5 hour?
Sure. Just text in the group so that Kushal also knows.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you don't have
Yes,
to
sir. Yes.
text me separately. Just text in the group so that every one of us we know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. We meet again tomorrow.
Thank you,
Sure.
sir.
Thank you.
Goodbye.